Okay. So, like in this video, I will just explain what are the content, how someone can plan their preparation. Okay, whether it can be ECC or S4 HANA. So, how you can plan your preparation, I'm going to explain. If you see either ECC or S4 HANA, the high level content like organization structure, master data, purchasing, inventory management, invoice verification, and then special procurements. So those processes are quite similar. So if someone is planning to prepare, they can definitely plan in a way how the content is there, what kind of content, whether you're doing a self-learning or you're going through a specific content, okay, you can prepare in that way. So for example, if you see the first one, enterprise structure or organization structure. As an MM consultant, you need to understand that what is the use of purchasing organization, plant, storage location, okay? Even purchase group, what is the use of purchasing organization? Can we assign more than one purchasing organization to plant? Huh? So purchasing organization to handle the procurement activities. Plant is the place where you are storing the data, storing your materials, and all the operations happen, okay? So org structure, you need to understand. When you're preparing or when you're practicing, definitely you will get to know about the other organization structure, like other modules. Like you are going to involve for company code, finance, sales organization, which is available for sales. Okay, these kind of things you are going to learn, right? So once you are familiar with the organization structure, then you have to go for master data. So whether ECC or S4 HANA, these are similar. When it comes to master data, you need to understand what is material master, what is service master, what is vendor master. So yeah, when it comes to S4 HANA, right? For example, this is, let's take it SAP MM. SAP MM, which we are discussing, someone wants to prepare like this, if you say. In case of ECC and S4 HANA. You know, I'm releasing one video also, ECC and S4 HANA. PPT is already made. I will share you the PPT with you. So until you get to know that things like ECC and S4 HANA. So these things are similar actually, ECC or S4 HANA, all these similar. And when it comes to material master data, like material master, service master, info record, source list, okay, those things are similar. In S4 HANA, vendor master has become business partner. Okay, both vendor master and customer master are part of business partner. So that is the one difference you see. Remaining difference, high level, you don't see any differences in S4 HANA. Similar. Okay. And info record means where you are store the material and vendor price combination and what is the planned delivery time. So all these information will be stored in info record. So that you can understand that info record, the uses of info record. In S4 HANA, they have provided one additional field in info record. Rest all are high level, it is same. So it is something like sourcing. Okay, when you are procuring the materials, right? Without source list also, you can plan your MRP. So when you are planning your MRP, system will have the automatically sourcing. There is a automatic sourcing flag in PIR is given actually. Anyway, this one is at the info record is same available, but one additional field is available only. But at the high level, info record is same. Okay. Oh, okay. So I can keep it same so that you don't have to feel something newly introduced. Okay. Okay. Maybe any additional comments like remarks I can give. If I want to give any remarks. So ECC or S4 HANA, you are going to learn in a similar way, and structure, those things and all similar, whatever content you have. When vendor master XK01, FK01, those are not available on S4 HANA. You are going to use the BP transaction. So procure to pay process, we have next when it comes to procure to pay. So purchase requisition, request for quotation, contract, purchase order, pricing procedure, So these all processes are high level, it is similar. Maybe you're going to do on Fury apps. Okay, there are Fury apps introduced to create the purchase order and to create a purchase requisition. But backend configuration and the process wise, I don't see much significant differences which you have to highlight. Okay. So PR and PO release procedure, here the flexible workflow. Still, you can use this normal also, you can utilize it, but there is a flexible workflow has come. Okay. But normal PR release procedure is there, but mostly flexible workflow can be adopted for doing the release procedure of your purchasing documents. Output determination, there are little changes happen, but at high level, whatever knowledge you are going to get, right, those all will be similar. So yeah, coming to MRP, MRP Live was introduced in this one. That also I will give in the comment only, because where we can write like this, if it is completely replaceable, like business partner has replaced vendor master, right? So that's why I have given here. But MRP wise, similar MRP is there. The few changes like MRP Live and storage location level MRP is not available in S4 HANA. There are a few differences are there. I think in my ECC S4 HANA differences video or PPT, you will come to know those points.
Yeah.
So org structure, master data, or procurement to pay process, whether you have a ECC course material or videos or S4 HANA course materials and videos, it will be similar. Okay, you can quickly come to these areas. This pricing procedure, you need to little practice. What is condition type? What is condition what table? Okay, what is the pricing schema? These kind of things you can focus and you can learn more.
Okay.
Okay. So then automatic account determination. This is in S4 HANA also, it is similar, like how you are linking the MM and FI, what kind of configuration you need to do and what kind of setup you need to do. All those things are explained in my content, and even on YouTube also we have a video on this. So how do you set up, how the GL account is linked with the material, okay, these kind of things. Next, inventory management. So as of now, we know that what is org structure, plant, company code, purchasing organization, all are set up. Then the master data, you have created a materials, vendors, the business partner in S4 HANA, vendors or service master, info records. Okay, these kind of things you have done it. Then purchasing, you created a purchase or purchase requisition, internal document. You have very good idea about that process, right? Because the business process wise, you know, purchase requisition is an internal document and the purchase order is an external document which will be sent to vendor for procuring the materials and the contracts, quotations. Okay. So these kind of documents. So as of now, what you have done, you set up your org structure, then you created your masters, then you created your purchase order and sent to vendor. Okay. So when you create purchase order, the GL account determination, everything happens based on the automatic account determination configuration. So we came till PO creation. Now the PO has gone to vendor. So vendor is giving you the material. So when the materials arrived at the warehouse, you have to do the receipt. The receipt will be taken care by inventory management. So you can receive goods receipt against purchase order or without any reference, you can receive. Okay. And when you receive, you can receive to GR blocked stock or normal stock. Okay. So what is this GR block stock? Even we have videos just for a high level. So when you receive the material of 100 quantity, you are not very sure that all 100 quantity quality is good or not, or else you want to have some more verification. So then without receiving to directly to your unrestricted or normal stock, you will receive to GR blocked stock. So that this 100 quantity, no value is posted to the company's account. At the same time, that material is not available for any sales. So they can take 3 hours or 4 hours or off day. Then once everything is good, then they will move from GR blocked stock to normal stock. When they do it, then that stock will be visible for marketing or sales team, everyone, so that they can plan their sales activities or production activities if it is a raw material or a manufacturing company. Okay. So that is about the GR block stock. We have a 103 movement type, and also we have a 107 movement type for evaluated. Okay. So the movements and all you can learn slowly. Let's focus on mostly to understand the business process and at high level details. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So these are all like block stock and GR block stock. Block stock means normal when the material is not good, then we move to block. From there, they will do the scrapping. Okay, that's the thing. So goods issue, transfer posting, physical inventory. There are multiple processes. Once you receive it, you will transfer to different locations, or you issue to departments. You can issue the material, or else you issue for scrapping. If material is damaged or expired, you can do the scrap. Okay. So in inventory, what happens? I received from a factory or vendor. I receive the stock. Once the stock is available, we can do transfer to other locations, or we can issue to other departments, or we can issue for scrapping or issue to production. So these all process happen under inventory management. So now what do you understand? We created a structure, we prepared the master, we created the purchase order and sent to vendor. Vendor has given the material. By using inventory management, we received the stock to our warehouse. Okay. After receiving, that stock can be utilized for any sales activities or transfer to other locations. Okay. They are issue to departments. What is the difference between transfer and issue? Technically, or even the logically, if you think, transfer means we are transferring from one location to other location. So that location may sell it or may consume for internal purpose. They will do something. Okay. So still the stock will be visible. We are transferring to one location to another location. So the here 10 quantities transferred means that location you can see this 10 quantity until they use it. That is transfer. Issue means you are issuing to a department. It means you are removing from the stock, you are removing the stock from the entire system. For example, we have 100 mouses are ordered. So admin department has requested for 20 mouses. You are issuing 20 to admin department. Okay. So then the 20 stock will be coming down and the 20 will be given to 20 employees, or as 20 their staff members, they will give it. So no more stock. Issue means stock will be reduced. Transfer means reduced at the supplying and increased at the receiving. So overall, you will see in the systems, still you can track the stock. Okay. So later you need to focus what is receipt, transfer, issue. Mainly 3 processes happen in inventory: receipt, transfer, issue. Next level, like receipt. After receiving, you have 2 pieces. Quality is not good. Vendor, you return to vendor. Okay. So return process will be there. Those are all occasional, but you focus mainly receipt, transfer, issue.
Yeah.
3 process. And mainly next you will learn the physical inventory process. This physical inventory process is mainly for every month or every quarter based on the company's volume and the plan. For example, you have 100 areas of stock. So few companies will do this month 20, next month 20, like that. In one quarter, they will do 1 count. Okay. So or else they will do 6 months 1 count, next 6 months, again they will count. So few companies, every month they count it, but they cannot count all 100 locations every month, right? So they will decide. So these 10 locations this month, next 10 locations this month, like that they do for all entire 1 year. So they will ensure at least one time I'm counting my stock. Okay. So that is physical inventory. The benefit of counting is, see, when you received 100 quantity. Okay. But by the time 1 or 2 maybe misplaced, or else you gave one by mistake, 1 quantity has given to customer extra. Okay. Or else something damaged but not yet moved to the damaged location. These are multiple reasons. If it is a solid materials, if it is a liquid or powder, what happened when you are taking that 1 kg because of the weighing machine or the operator is not taking properly, he may take 1.05 or else 1.1 kg. Okay, or else 1 kg 50 grams. Okay, or else 970 grams. So every time when you're doing activity, 30 grams, 40 grams, you are giving extra or you are giving less. These things can happen, right? So if you
Yeah.
do a stock count, the physical inventory process, okay, system has 100 kg, but physically 99.2 kg. Okay, so the 99.2 kg only we will update in the system after this physical inventory process, so that sales and our production can be planned properly based on 99.2 kg, but not 100 kg. You understand the benefit of physical inventory, right? We always
Yeah.
try
Yeah.
to do the, and also if there is 93 kg only there, system 100, 7 kg loss. Okay, so those kind of a huge loss, warehouse management can check with the operators why 7 kg within 1 month. Okay, so then they may say like this weighing machine always not working. Sometimes it is showing okay, little extra, little less. They will give all the complaints, right? So that one. Otherwise, they also give a warning, like kind of instructions to all the members. Please weigh properly. Don't go for your guessing. Some people, when they take this material, the weighing machine is little bit far. According to their experience, they may say like, yes, it can be 10 kg. Okay, they may go, but it may be 10.3 or 10.5. So these kind of operational mistakes, and also if there is any machinery mistakes, like the weighing machine is not properly connect, like showing the data, maybe 0.5 kg plus or minus, then that 0.5 kg has a chance of making some discrepancy. Okay, so
Yeah.
these are all you're going to learn. Okay, so when it comes to invoice verification, so this will be done by finance actually in the most of the projects, but as an MM consultant, we need to know how to use Miro transaction, how to use credit memo creation with Miro. Okay, so once the goods are arrived from the vendor, they will send you the invoice copy. Based on the invoice copy, finance team will do the invoice verification. This process you are aware, right? What is the use of invoice verification? What is credit memo? So for
Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
yeah, you bought a handbag. Okay, handbag cost is, for example, 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees, you buy the handbag, you got a handbag to your hand, and 5,000 rupees you are paying to them. Then whatever the copy they give, right, that is invoice. Okay, so based on invoice 5,000, you are paying to them. So what is credit memo? For example, you didn't like the bag, you want to return it. Okay, you are giving bag back. So they will give you 5,000. We are sending the refund, right? Amazon and all, they will send you one message. We are refund your amount. So that is credit memo. Okay. So your 5,000 is back. Bag also you have given. Okay. So what is
Yeah.
this subsequent credit and subsequent debit? So subsequent credit means, for example, you bought a bag for 5,000. Okay. So but the bag handle is not little bit something loose, or else something you are giving some complaint to them, then they say like, sorry ma'am, like we will give you 5% credit or 10% credit for the inconvenience, or a little bit delivery delay, so you are getting angry, so they say like we will give you 5% credit, so they will send you some 500 rupees or like that as a subsequent credit. So your bag is with you, you paid 5,000, so bag is available with you, but you're getting 500 cashback kind of a thing. It's a subsequent credit. Okay.
Okay.
So now you're paying only you paid only 4,500. Okay, because 500 you got back, right? So that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is subsequent debit? You paid 5,000, okay, for the bag, and but you are asking for maybe some case to your hand or something like that. Okay, or else they said like this is because of certain reasons you need to pay some more extra 300 rupees like that. They were asking to you, so you pay 300 to them. Then without any quantity changes, like bag is with you, but still you are paying 300. So your bag total cost has become 5,300. Okay. So
Okay.
that is subsequent debit. You can just imagine with your regular activities only. Okay, so what is subsequent credit? What is subsequent debit? We have videos also by explaining. I'm just giving an example. Okay,
Yeah.
so how to
Yeah.
understand? So this is invoice print and all part of that invoice verification process. In S4 HANA, there is no huge differences. Okay, from ECC to S4 HANA. Coming to procurements. So in the and there's some accounting wise, they're using material ledger accounting and all, but the high level process are similar, and few T codes are removed. For example, the T codes which starts with MB0, right? Like MB, okay, MB1A, MB1C, MB1, 1A, 1B. All these transaction codes are removed in S4 HANA. We have to use
Okay.
only MIGO. Okay, only MIGO transaction. So that is a one high level we can say. So
Okay.
in S4 HANA, only MIGO can be used.
Okay.
So let me do one thing. Okay, only MIGO is available, and remaining transactions are so MB1A, MB1, MB star, many transactions are removed. But at high level, the process is similar. Invoice verification, the process is similar. Okay. And we have special procurements, like whatever we generally buy the material, that is called standard procurement. And we have a consignment pipeline. You can slowly understand what are the different type of procurements available. Any little differences are, for example, yesterday only in the group today I was mentioning some question, subcontracting process in S4 HANA. Okay, so at high level, that info record, automatic sourcing. Okay, other than that, most of the cases are similar, like how we are sending the components and BOM creation, goods issue, goods received. All those processes are quite similar in S4 HANA. Okay. So then miscellaneous. So I provided here few content like LS and W. Yeah, LS and W, one thing we can say here, mostly LTMC is being used. Okay, even recently I had one article, even LTMC also will be dropped in some time. Okay, but in S4 HANA, mostly we use LTMC. This vendor
Okay.
sub-range and all as part of BP, just now mentioned that business partner. Okay. Remaining like PO attachment, distribution list, background job creation, all are available in S4 HANA also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And SAP MM WM integration, same integration is available in S4 HANA also, but we call it like a SAP MM Stockroom Management integration. Okay. So just the name of the module is changed, but remaining all are similar. Okay. So remaining all are similar. Integration, external procurement, interest, all the processes are similar, are there? Okay. So integration, yeah, then real-time content. This real-time content, the methodology wise, for example, in implementation, we are using the SAP methodology, but here you will see the activate methodology. I have given at high level differences of SAP and activate. Okay, but detailed video I will plan in a couple of weeks. Okay, so remaining understanding the rise of W, functional specification. Okay, so even interview questions, these all are useful in both cases, even the fit gap analysis. Okay, how you are going to prepare the test scripts, testing, authorization matrix. These are all ECC and S4 HANA. It will be similar. Maybe in the authorization matrix, you will get the Fiori apps. Okay. So which Fiori apps need to be given access to what kind of users, those kind of points will come. Earlier in ECC, authorization means only transaction codes. You are a purchasing team, you should have a PO creation. You should have PO change or PO reports checking, okay, or quotations changes, quotation price updates. These kind of things will be available. So in Fury, there's a tiles have come, right? You would have seen the Fury screen, right? PO creation, one tile, or PR to PO conversion, one tile, PO approval, one tile. Like that, you are getting the tiles. The tiles are based on the authorization matrix. Okay. So those things. And yeah, if I think these are all some of the latest content related. Even iDocs are still useful, but in S4HANA, more they're using the API. Okay, APIs will be used more than iDocs. APIs are being used more than iDocs. Okay. So that you can understand that when what is API, how the data is being transferred from one system to another system, those things and all we are going to learn. And support tickets, these all will be ECC or S4HANA. It will be highly useful. Okay. Maybe a lesson W, we can see LTMC.
Okay.
So these are all. So if someone wants to prepare, so high level difference, I think once I make the video, so before making the video itself, I can provide you that PPT, which I have prepared, that ECC S4HANA differences PPT, right? So that I can share with you to understand what are the high level differences, because next 3 years or 4 years, more than S4HANA fresh implementations, more projects are ECC to S4HANA migration, because SAP has thousands of existing customers, right? So all
Yeah.
customers are migrating from 2021, 22. COVID has given some break for many migration projects. Okay, if there was no COVID, I think many migrations would have happened in 2020, 21 time. So some of the other reasons and all. So now 23, 24, even in our company, till 2025, even 26 also it can go. So 3 years only S4HANA migrations from ECC to S4HANA. So if you understand ECC and S4HANA, the differences, it will be helpful for you to get a new S4HANA implementation project, okay, which we call like greenfield implementation. Okay, greenfield means the company first time they're implementing S4HANA. Okay, so another one is they're using ECC and they want to migrate to S4HANA. So they want to adopt certain kind of good things in current system and implement S4HANA. So that one we call it like a brownfield implementation. So if you are hearing these words greenfield, brownfield, greenfield means it's like a scratch implementation of S4HANA. No reference of ECC, what happened, ECC like this, S4 like this, no such kind of discussions. What is brownfield? They are going to copy from ECC to S4HANA. So what are the important programs or reports they want to adopt to S4HANA? So they will manage accordingly. Okay. Okay. As an MM consultant, if you want to prepare fully, what are the topics I have and how you can prepare? This is entire ECC is available in our content. And S4HANA, the differences I'm making. Okay, I will share you the PPT. And very soon, I think I will make the video. Maybe in 2 weeks, I will finish the video of, if anything comes up, I can release like a part 2, part 3 like that. Because as per the analysis, I have now around some 18 points are there. So if I come to know about any new points, I can release the part 2, okay, part 3 like that, ECC, S4HANA differences. So that someone can confidently manage ECC to S4HANA migration. At the same time, S4HANA new implementation. Both kind of things can be managed. So now you understand, right, what exactly I have to learn. What is the use of each one? Org structure, master data, procure to pay process, automatic account determination, inventory management, logistics invoice verification, procurement types. Okay, what are the different miscellaneous? So these are all you will get to know how to prepare. If anyone wanted to prepare ECC or S4HANA based on the good material what you have or a good trainer, you can learn If you learn S/4HANA from scratch, try to understand what was available in ECC. If you are learning ECC, learn what is available in S/4HANA, what are the differences. Okay, so that can give the good understanding of overall process. And always someone has to learn what is the benefit of this process. Okay, what is the use of batch management? Who will use the batch management? So mostly food industries, chemical industries. Okay, they only use the batch management. Food industries, chemical industries like pharmaceutical or paint or any kind of a thing. So they maintain the batches, each lot as a batch like that. So this is about the overall our ECC content. What are the high differences of S/4HANA? Once I make S/4HANA ECC differences, you will get a better clarity. So that's it about the overall preparation. Now we'll discuss further about how to go for the daily plan.
Yeah.